So Frank, welcome back for another lesson. Appreciate
Thanks.
you coming back.
Thanks for having me.
Today what I want to work on, and to go back to our previous lessons to help your consistency level get up, I want to work on our pre-shot routine.
Okay.
This is very important when it comes to consistency. We want to have the same meticulous routine every single shot to get us into the right mind frame, to help our mental being as we hit the shot. We want everything to be focused. So what I want you to really focus on when you stand behind the shot, I want you to pick out your target. I want you to really focus on a target. I want you to close your eyes and visualize the shot. Get a nice image in your mind of what you want the shot to do. And then just like we talked about, I want you to line up to it, get the correct ball position, and then I want you to fire away. And I want you to do this over and over again. You can do this, you can practice this at home in a mirror, but this needs to become habit to you. If you watch all the tour players, the Tiger Woods and Phil Mickelson, all of them have the exact same, not individually, they perform the exact same pre-shot routine every time. So what I want you to focus on is, come this way, I want to show you. I want you to stand behind the shot, and I want you to visualize the target. Find out where you want to hit. Okay? Close your eyes. Visualize that shot in your head. Focus on the mental aspect of the game. I want you to visualize everything. Once you get that target set up, I want you to approach from the side. I always tend to start with my feet closed because it helps me with my ball position, being correct with the proper club that I'm getting ready to hit or the shot that I'm getting ready to hit. So I step in and aim the target. I take equal steps. This way I know I'm at the center of my stance. I'm lining up to the target, visualizing the shot, get ready, and I pull the trigger and go. So this is very important when we're talking about a pre-shot routine. I want you to focus on doing everything the same. And when we get this down, I want it to become habit. We're going to transfer this onto the course. This is something that just doesn't happen on the driving range. It happens on the course. And this is one of the first aspects of becoming consistent on the golf course. So go through the steps. Okay, so pick your target out. Visualize the shot in your mind. Visualize what you want to do. Now step up to the shot. Approach it just like we have. You're hitting a 7-iron, so we want to be center of the stance. Visualize the shot the whole time, and then decide and pull the trigger. All right. Now this is something that is going to be repetitive. At this point, I want you to perform the same thing over and over again. I could care less where the ball goes. I want you to get in that consistency. So let's do it again. Tell me what you're doing as you're doing it.
Yeah, I'm picking out my target.
Okay.
Visualizing the shot.
Visualizing the shot, okay.
Step into it.
Lining up, making sure your ball position is correct. Committing to the shot, then hitting it. There you go. You can watch the best players in the world. If they hit a bad shot, they start all over. If they are approaching, if you're getting up to the shot and you're visualizing it, and you start to approach and something doesn't feel right, back off and start over. You want this to be one continuous project with no interruptions. Now hit a couple just on your own. Here we go. Continue to do it. Talk me through it so I understand what you're thinking.
Again, picking out my target.
Picking out your target. Which is what?
See the golf carts at the very end of the range up by the clubhouse? There's that little tent top to the left of them. That's what I'm...
Okay. Visualize the shot. Set your target. Now, do you understand why I spend time on pre-shot routine?
Well, it seems like it takes away all the additional thoughts that, like, it, you know, like a swing thought, or it just almost makes it like you stop thinking about how to do it and you just picture it and you do it.
You're committing to the shot. And when you stand up to the ball, I want you to think of your routine. And if you go through your routine, you commit to that shot, and you perform it over and over and over again. Now that your skill level and your game is improved, this is what I think you're missing. I think you're missing that consistency on the course. I don't want you to fall into ruts where you hit some bad shots and you just get away from it, because that's where everything goes south. You got to take one shot at a time. Focus on that shot. Pre-shot routine. And this is something that we're going to transfer to the course in our next lesson. When we go onto the course for our playing lesson, we are going to focus on your pre-shot routine. We're going to go to an empty part of the course. There's nobody around. Time doesn't matter. I want you to focus on it. Every shot, chipping, putting, everything. It's very important to continue this to go. So hit a couple more pre-shot routine.
So same thing. Pick out a target. I'm going to visualize the shot I want to hit.
Consistency, getting the same routine, it's going to help you get consistent on the golf course. And it's going to help you eliminate these times where you go south. It's going to, one shot is going to be different from another shot. And that's what we want to get to. And that goes into the mental part of the game, which when we get on the course next week, we'll work on that. Okay? Good job. Keep working on the pre-shot routine.